Hello, I'm Louise Jackson from the Anna Freud Centre. We spend so much time hearing about what isn't available for children and young people. It has been fantastic to be reminded that there are so many of us providing such a huge range of support to children and young people across the country. I feel renewed hope for the future of our children and young people. That's what one person has fed back to us after doing the Trustme Training. Here at the Anna Freud Centre for Children and Families, we've been working with youth organisations from all over the UK and funded by Children in Need to support young people's mental health and well-being. Childhood is such a complex and crucial time. Most young people will struggle with things at various points in their journey. Many of them will be okay, but for some of them, adverse experiences will have an impact on their lives right into adulthood. We know that 50% of mental illnesses begin in childhood, and we know that intervening early is far more effective than waiting for a crisis. And yet only 30% of young people receive appropriate early support. So there's a gap between children and young people who may be beginning to struggle and those that are identified as needing support. You are in a good position to help close that gap.
The Trustme Training has been developed to give you and your team space to get together, talk and reflect on how you can address the barriers that prevent young people from asking for help when they need it. Find out what matters to them and how you can open a conversation and how you can support everyone in your team to use the theory of help seeking in their work.
Do you know what the 4 stages of help seeking are? Use them to evaluate and improve the services you offer young people. You will also complete the programme alongside a number of other teams and services, participating in a community of practice whose purpose is to give children and young people the message that struggles are a part of life that can be overcome if we work together. You can register your interest in Trustme Training now, and we'll send you a link. You then decide which 3-week period you want to log on to the self-guided e-learning and online reflective workshop. During the 3-week period, you will need to get your team together to participate in the 2-hour training in our e-learning environment. Then, use your help-seeking handbook and notes to create your action and implementation plan with your team. In the 3rd week, you will be invited to join organisations from across the UK in a live online reflective workshop. It's as simple as that.
Don't miss this chance to lead your team through the Trustme programme. It's been a tough couple of years for everyone, and it's time to give your team a bit of breathing space to get together to reflect and plan for the future. We're Keisha, Louise, Rebecca and Tia, and we are the Trustme team at Anna Freud, and we're waiting to hear from you. We're looking forward to meeting you.